That's on headphones and water. You hear music, volume that channel katak there, and there's DJ in the back. I have here again in walk here. What is that? Here on Zoda Kashem. Oh, it's music, headphones. Everything back on things. Anyone will headphones for Bella Chuan Mimakan summer animals. But hold on to that one lama. The clan over here in Hman and bakah, people fishing. So that like right down there. It's a whole bunch of things going on at once.
What about him? What does he look like?
What's up?
Filipino?
There we go. Filipino.
Yes?
You left, man. You left.
Cái việc lại không? Hmanhmawh xin mình ka. Anh Hmanhmawh.
Chuan.
Mình xin mình ka.
They kept looking at you after you left.
Breakfast in Donna. A artui englai. Egg white. Artui varlai. Tomato salsa. And then this gravy. And yeah, sausage. And then casserole or croissant, whatever. Gay getting low. That's also not talk there. Not talk there near them so. A pancake. I mean waffle. Waffle yeah. Hey and chinba vanimal 37 ania vanimal. And chinba halamua. So I'm with the tongues over. What do you have? 4 hours? 4 hours sleep? Yeah.
It's gonna hit me later. I'm fine right now, but
Play down with long. Yeah, video all alone, yeah.
we have hope we get in that plane. Not from
What?
bakah.
You should get busy.
You thought it broke, but I'm just like, oh, sure.
Good morning again. As you can see here, plate ang kamulak bella. Yeah. Apa ni kay zawa? Tami kay zawa boga. Waffles pali na bakah. And then puar. Plate ang amuhin sa charang.
You ate 4 plates, 6 plates?
I ate 3 plates.
Just all you.
This is me.
Damn boy, packing. What's up? My legs are killing me. I think we should have walked to Hollywood, man.
Yeah, I was sore too, man.
It's still working.
Yesterday I was sore. Today, oh, it's not bad.
والله harva. Man, I want to watch my video real quick to give me inspiration.
Still not there?
It's still not there.
Sorry.
This is so humbling.
There we go.
Yeah, that's me. Here's the bed. Couch.
Oh, and there's a drink down low.
Hello, welcome to live stream number 3. Okay. Live stream Zinga. What's in this set? Is the bathroom. The sun is hot, but the humidity is alright. So it doesn't feel too hot. It feels like I'm forgetting something.
Me too.
I don't know what it is. Look at the kitchen. in the fridge. Oh, food.
I think I'm forgetting something for sure.
Carrots. Baby carrots.
I definitely feel like I forgot something. Oh well.
Oh well, that's right. Beach was way nice. Sunday morning here, busy bit here. Playing a number again. Trying. Tampa, Florida, Noma, LAX Trankan, LA Trankan, Tampa, and Kaladi Chuan, Daka Katu Vela, and Colum, Atlanta, Lama, Rampaleam. Gate, Gun Board, Tandona, Turahan Tampa, Atlanta, Lampanin. A17.
This one.
Funny how you can't hold on to what you got, even though each and every memory means a lot. Poetical it flows and they always be hot, deep in the minds of a dreamer, experienced time. Caught between the hands of fate and destiny, as I pass like a wave gently sweeps over me, staring at the silence of the room beneath the moon, still caught up in the threads of a life like glue.